Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this set of pendant lights for viewing purposes. So let's take them out of the box. First thing we see is a pair of gloves and the instruction on how to install them. Okay, I think it's nice. We have a cardboard to protect all the pieces that comes included. They come with everything that you need to assemble them and to install them, and also to do the electrical wiring, which I think is great. Okay, these are the main units. As you can see, they have a really nice design. Let's take see a lot of it. They come also protected from the inside, which I think is great. And here it is. Okay, I really does think that it looks really beautiful. It's a really classy design. Okay, so this is everything that we are gonna need to assemble them and install them, which I think it's nice. It seems like a pretty simple and easy, quick installation. So let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how they look when they are turned on, okay? Come on. Okay guys, the assembly process is really nice, and something that I like about them is that you can select the length of the cord. If you want to hang it at a specific height, I think it's really nice. And you can use them with a removable switch and light bulb. I think it's great. Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed and I think they look amazing. As I've said, they have a really classy look, and I think they're really nice and gonna do an amazing work wherever you want to place them, your kitchen island, your dining room, living room, wherever you want to place them. I think they're gonna look really nice. I placed these cold white light bulbs and I think it looks amazing, and overall I like them a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys.